Welcome to all of you. And herein, I am going to discuss the tertiary butyl anhydride. Okay, so please, so tertiary butyl anhydride. So you should be sorry for that. Okay, okay. So tertiary butyl anhydride we will discuss today. So first of all, you should be know about the regarding the what is the structure of tertiary butyl anhydride. Okay. So you can see here, I have mentioned the tertiary butyl anhydride is a very specific region, and the structure is, you can see here, tertiary butyl anhydride. This one is the structure. Okay, it is shortly abbreviated in the chemical formula tertiary butyl anhydride. Okay, so tertiary butyl anhydride is very specific regions. Okay, for reduction of CX bond to CH bond. Okay, so if you want to convert CX bond to CH bond in any organic synthesis, okay, if you suppose that if you synthesize any drug molecule or other industrial products in which you want to convert CX bond to CH bond, then you can apply the tertiary butyl anhydride. Okay, so there is a application of tertiary butyl anhydride on that point. Okay, so preparation involves tertiary butyl halides and lithium aluminum hydrides, and it apports the tertiary butyl hydrides. Okay. So in this you can see there is a need of tertiary butyl hydride, lithium aluminum hydride, and there is a specific temperature and a selective solvent. Okay, for conversion of this. Okay, so you can obtain the tertiary butyl hydrides. Okay. So application involves several types, such as you need to you can convert RH to RH. Okay, formation of five-member ring. Okay, RNO2 to convert to R hydrides. Okay, and you can convert CC bond coupling. Okay, so if you want to formation of CC bond. Okay, in any organic compound. Okay, so CC bond means it can be inter. Okay, CC bond coupling. Okay, reduction of carbonyl is also carried out by tertiary butyl anhydrides. Okay, so reduction of CX bond to CS bond. Okay, so there is a need of halides, alkyl halides. This is tertiary butyl anhydrides. Okay, ALBN is required as a reagent catalytic amount for conversion of RX. Okay. So there is a very important point is that you need here equivalent. How equivalent you will add tertiary butyl anhydrides. Okay. If more concentrated you will add, then what happen here? There is no conversion of RH takes place. Okay. So it is AIBN. What is it is EJA. Okay. So EJA moiety will be present in the chemical formula. So it is EJA. This means two moiety will present of isobutyl nitrate. So here two moiety is present of isobutyl nitrate. Okay. So reaction takes place free radical mechanism. Mechanism involves first of all a formation of free radical. So free radical, any bond if you break down, okay, so it actually this bond is made up of two electron. So free radical, it is homolytic fission, means two electron formation takes place. So one electron goes to carbon, and here similar ways because this molecule is symmetrical. N for N containing one free radical. So there is a formation of triple bond, and N2 will be released out. Okay, so N2 in this three N2 containing three triple bond. Sorry, three single bonds. Okay, means a stalagmite type. Okay, so formation of two NC free radical to this isobutyl nitrile initiated this reaction, and further what take it will after formation of this moiety, it is breakdown. Tertiary butyl hydride is breakdown and forming the tertiary butyl free radical, and it form the hydride will be released, means one electron, this hydride containing hydrogen containing one electron. So one electron forming the single bond. So there is a formation of single bond. Okay. So similarly, you can see RX. So here tertiary butyl hydride, this one. Okay. So this RX further tin hydride contain this containing one electron, this containing one electron forming the tertiary butyl hydride, and this tertiary butyl and this forming the this. Okay, so this might is free here. Okay, So after formation of R free radical, R free radical form in this step. Okay. So this free radical and this forming also break down here. Okay. And this single one electron forming the RH, and this will free in the reaction medium. Okay. So sometime it also gives intramolecular free radical addition reactions. Okay. Free radical addition reactions, and it also form 5-membered ring formation. Okay. Alkene that forming 5 position present in the 5 position. If alkene present at 5 position, then forming 5-membered ring. Okay, with respect to hydrogen. Then in the presence of tertiary-butyl AlBn formation by intramolecular free radical mechanism. Okay, so if you add AIBN in presence of tertiary-butyl anhydride forming the intramolecular free radical mechanism. Okay, the formation of 5 ring depends upon the concentration of tertiary butyl and steric factor. Okay, so it is also very important point. So what is the meaning of this one? Concentration. Okay, so actually what happened here? Concentration, if you add more amount of tertiary butyl tin hydride, if you want to convert this substrate into products, and if you add more equivalent, means more concentration of solvent system takes place. So that's why hindrance will be fast, and there will be no conversion of more information takes place. Okay. So if you add, so it is the drawbacks of this. So there is a need of equivalent. How equivalent you will add it? There are 2-3 equivalent if you add here. The mechanism involved. First of all, this CX bond will be break down, forming the free radical mechanism, forming this single free radical, and this also forming free radical. So one free radical forming this bond, and there is free radical, and this is H. Okay, so it forming free radical, so forming this one. Okay, so this one, this mighty formation of this mighty takes place. Okay. So if more concentration of tertiary butyl anhydride, then it reacts Pierson of frequency. So no breaking of double bonds. Okay, no 5-membered ring formation takes place. So there is a need of equivalent 1, 2 or 1, 2 equivalent you can add. Okay, like that. So there will be conversion takes place. Otherwise, no ring formation takes place. Okay. So again, I have taken one example more. This is alkene present in the cyclohexane. Okay. So in this pattern, first of all, this molecule formation of free radical takes place. Okay. So after free radical formation, you can see here this free radical and this free radical forming the single bond. Here free radical is free, and after breakdown on SNS, this hydrogen free radical forming single bond. You can see like that. Okay. So it is the mechanism. So like you can see this one, there is a hysteric hindrance in this position. Okay. So what takes place here? If you see this one, then there is no formation of 5-membered ring. Okay. Okay. So formation of only hydrogen CH bond takes place here. Okay. Similarly, you can see this one, and in this position, first of all, this bond will be break down, forming free radical, and this free radical and this free radical, because it also forming the free radical here. Okay. So this bond formation and this free radical forming the hydrogen free, means attracted hydrogen free radical forming the HX bond. Okay. So it is the product. Okay. Similarly, you can see here this is free radical, this free radical. Okay. So this free radical are forming this bond, and here free radical and hydrogen free radical forming this bond. Okay. So this product will form here. So likewise, you can see here if you had excess of this one, so this and this. Okay, forming free radical and this one. Okay. So what taken place? Because here you add excess. When you will add excess, there will be no reaction takes place like that, and only CS bond will be formation takes place. Since steric hindrances does not involve in this substrate, but excess amount of tertiary butyl anhydrides create steric hindrance here. Okay, so reagent also creates the steric hindrance. So that's why your product will be not formed. Okay. So similarly, you can see one here this free radical forming this bond, and H free radical and this free radical forming the CS bond. Okay. Similarly, you can see one this forming free radical, okay, and this forming free radical. So this free radical forming here, what take us with this ring will be formed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 member ring formation takes place, and this bond will be free here. Okay. So stereo of new form is cis. Okay. So you can see stereo will always cis. Okay. So here in tertiary butyl tinhydride, retention of configuration takes place. Okay. So you can see this one, and if you have tertiary butyl tinhydride forming retention of configuration. Okay. So tertiary butyl tinhydride in the presence of ALBN forming the CH1 only. You can see. Similarly, you can see this one. Here, this free radical forming and this forming the X. Okay. Mechanism is similar to the previous one. Okay. So actually, sorry for that because noise is very much here. Okay. So this. Okay. So you can see here what taken place first of all. So after, so if this will form, so after that this lone pair of electron shifted in this position, and this ring will be the opening takes place. Okay, and this lone pair abstracted S plus. Okay, so like that it abstract S. Okay, and forming this one again. This will attack on this and forming the 5-member ring. Okay, so CrO3 it is like that. Okay, so you can see here. Similarly, this question have been asked in 2013. Okay, what is the product? It is actually in four marks in CSI and question have been asked that for actually question asked that this is your substrate, this is region, what is the your product? So, so how is this product will form? We will check here. So first of all, we can see here this bond, okay. So forming the this thing will be formation takes place. After that, this free radical and hydrogen free radical forming single bond. So this product will be forming. Okay. After that, this ring epoxide is unstable. So due to unstable, it is very reactive and it will break down. Okay. So this free radical, okay. Uh, After that, this bond will also forming double bond. Okay, this free radical is free here. Okay, since it is free, not it is addition takes place by hydrogen. This forming double bond. Okay, so this free radical further you can see through S plus H free radical forming the bond CS bond. Okay, so it is your product. Okay. Similarly, you can see here it is very simple reactions forming that 5-member. Okay, like that, and this. Okay. Yes, first of all, this addition takes place. After that, this triple bond also break down, forming the free radical. And since it is reactive, so that's why free radical formation takes place. Okay, so this free radical addition takes place by this hydrogen. Okay, and product from this one. Okay. Similarly, you can see this one NO2 convert to hydrogen. Okay, and replaced by hydrogen. And this is D-Lender type reactions and like that. And okay, so first of all, total cycloaddition D-Lender reaction takes place forming this one, and after that NO2 is replaced by hydrogen. Okay. Dehalogenation followed by intermolecular CC coupling also takes place by tributyl tinhydride. Okay, so RCH2 CH2 jet takes place. Okay. Mechanism you can see here. First of all, R free radical formation and this addition of this one takes place. And okay, so here for RCH2 CH double bond. So this free radical forming RC bond, and after addition CS addition takes place because hydrogen free radical forming the single bond here. Okay, and conversion of this takes place. Okay. Similarly, you can see this one like that, it forming the 5-member like that. Okay, you can see it also form the free radical and it also from free radical. Okay, so like that, this reaction takes place. Okay. It is very simple. The concept is similar to previous one. Okay, so So this again you can see this ketone. So first of all, addition of OSN takes place. Okay, this free radical forming this one. Okay, and this gives the S plus AF. Okay, so this bond will break down and forming the OH. Okay, similarly you can see this one. First of all, means like that OH formation takes place. So similarly, you can see the it forming axial bond. Okay, means this hydride will no. First of all, OSN Bu3 formation takes place. Okay, and after that, what takes place? Uh, since hydronium is added, so S plus will be released out for breaking down this one. Okay, so this is equatorial. Okay, so this will axial. Okay, attack will be equatorial, means hydride will attack from this. Okay, similarly you can see this one, this formation 1 2 3 4 5 means 1 2 3 4 here, this forming this one, and this free radical will be neutralized by hydrogen. Okay, similarly you can see this forming free radical, and this ring formation takes place, this is neutralized by hydrogen. Okay, so it is all about regarding the tertiary butyl tin hydride. Okay, so concept is very simple, and all the concept is similar. Okay, but you should clear the mechanism only. Okay, so I have covered the tributyl tin hydride today. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and we will